Sure. So with regards to data platforms that we're looking at and AI implementation, data quality lineages, and in terms of application, our main priorities are route optimization. Being an RMS courier company, for us it is very critical how shipment costs are going to be lowered. We are using all this, creating a new platform for data where AI can then learn from it, make the calculations, and we ask it on the go. So instead of it being a report-based organizations where someone has to go into a report and see it, we are seeing how we can have an agentic workflow where the decision output of what actually needs to be done is given as an output rather than having a process-based person in that. So that is a transformation, the digital transformation which we are doing on.
So the theme also is about AI in apps development, and particularly what do you see where the industry is going towards low-code, and do you see a space for that?
Right. Yes, I think there's a major impact that we can make. I mentioned about the AI in process management, customer service, and responses to tickets, ITSM tickets within the organization for all our data quality teams, as well as customer service request, chatbot creation. These are cases which can very easily have a quick wins which are there. Route optimization and cost optimization are a little long term, but still very much within our time frame for us to do low-code development and using AI.
And it is very exciting. We had new logistics, we had realistic.
It's going through a major change within logistics industry, especially in Middle East, because now we have ADP which has taken over Aramax, and if you see, there's an entire corridor which is created through the Middle East, which is going to not only benefit India, because it's going to be joining India, Middle East, and Europe. And twice.
So all this was the golden path, you remember?
Yes.
This is the US, this is the news. And now this is the IT synchro. Wonderful.